Hey guys, check out the new AquaCal Sizing and Savings Estimator, a powerful tool that helps you find the perfect heating solution for your customer's pool. First, let's go to the AquaCal website. Once you're there, we're going to look for the Sizing and Savings Estimator. Now click it. We'll start by selecting the heating or cooling application. In this case, we're going to go with heating. Select your pool shape, fill in the required information such as dimensions. You can choose average depth, width, and length. If you don't know the pool information, you can always manually enter the gallons. Choose the heat source. Try to give as accurate information as possible. It's important to consider your location for specific climate conditions. The windy coastal application applies if they are located within 500 feet of the ocean. Choose your frequency type and electric kilowatt-hour rate. For desired swim season, you will be able to choose the months you will use your pool, and depending on the location and temperature, there will be some differentiations. Remember, you can't select months where average temperature is below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Results will pop up on the right as we continue to fill out the form. We can compare gas heating costs between LP and natural gas, along with your provided gas rate. With this information, we can compare your savings while using an AquaCal electric heat pump. Afterwards, the calculator will generate a detailed analysis of sizing and savings comparison between gas heaters and electric heat pumps. Take your time to review the results thoroughly. The analysis will provide invaluable insights. On the top bar, you can send a PDF, email, or download it to that computer. Remember, this tool is also mobile friendly. Follow these simple steps and you can find the ideal heating solution for any pool. Start using the AquaCal Sizing and Savings Calculator today.